We say lockdown, but everyone is locked down differently, aren't they? Some are locked down in a 6-bedroom house. Some are locked down in a 1-bed flat with their spouse. Some are locked down with 8 people, a cat, a dog, and a bone. Some are locked down alone. Some are locked down in conditions that I don't even have words to describe. They are selling their possessions just to survive. Things got so tight that they actually sold their sons for rice, and they're using their daughters as part of the deal and bribes. Some are not worried about losing their jobs because they've got money in the bank. Some are going through hardship because their source of earnings have sank. Some are working from their private office in their converted shed. Some people have no desk, they're using their bed. We say study from home, or shall I say they say study from home. Some people say, cool, I'll turn some rooms in the house into the replica of a school. The garden is big enough anyway, I can use it for PE. I can even continue my swimming lessons in the pool. But just a few minutes down the road, there's a completely different picture. You've got one family, 5 people, 1 laptop. Everyone takes turns. They rotate. One family, 5 people, 1 laptop. Everyone takes turns. They rotate. Dinner at the same time, 5 people eating from the same plate. Lockdown is hitting people differently. Some are coping, some are hoping, some are doping. Some are enduring the pain, some are turning to cocaine, and some are literally going insane. Some relationships are stronger, some relationships are no longer. Some are just getting on with life. Unfortunately, some are using the knife. Using the knife to slit their palm. Then they enter a Zoom meeting smiling with a shiny lip balm. Is she okay? Yes, her face looks fine, but she hasn't been eating for weeks. I can even see the bones in her spine. Whoever you are, wherever you are, I can't say I feel your pain, but I can see your scar. Hey world, let's keep spreading love, not hate. Less fear, more faith. Sharing creative foods for thought, because some people have literally been eating the same food from the same plate. Check on your friends from time to time. Some of them are actually on the edge. They're about to cross the line. Don't get it twisted. Lockdown didn't respect anyone medically, financially, spiritually, physically, or mentally. It came to us all equally, but it hit us all differently. It brought some people closer. It pushed some people far. I can't live with her anymore, he said. He drove off in his car. It killed the rich and the less fortunate. It hurt the dating, the married, and the celibate. Everyone thought he was happy. He had a cook and a cleaner wiping his floor. Little did we know, the next day death would be knocking at his door. Hey world, I want to pray for you quickly. I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God in any situation. I count my blessings and I give God the glory and adoration. I pray that you will not fall into depression. And even in this season of isolation, you will know the love of God that surpasses all comprehension. I pray for you and I pray for me too. Help us, Lord. Help us, God. Help us, JC, Jesus Christ. Guide us through this darkness with your bright light. We've been hit badly, but we won't give up the fight. These are dark days, but we will see the light. I don't know who you are, I don't know where you are in the world, but don't give up the fight. These are dark days, but we will see the light. I don't know what you've been going through. I know your eyes are hurting because of the screen. Some of you are even losing your sight. It's not funny. These are dark days, but we will see the light. I know you're scared, filled with fear and fright. These are dark days, but we will see the light. Whoever you are, wherever you are, don't give up the fight. These are dark days, but we will see the light.